Here's my lifestyle story. My family, my big why. I was born into a family of employee. I grew up with my parents, uncles, and aunties, employed for life. Growing up, nakita ko na life is not easy. Halos hindi ko na matapos ang engineering course ko dahil sa financial struggles. Kaya nag-part-time ako during my college para may pandagdag ng daily allowances. Kapag may nagkakasakit sa pamilya, my parents had to borrow money for hospitalization. Doon ko mas nakita ang reality ng living paycheck to paycheck. When they retired, nakadipi na lang sila sa government pension. And it was not enough. Masakit para sa akin dahil I know na may mga dreams pa sila pero hindi na nila ma-afford. Until they pass away and I grow and I know in my heart may mga bagay pa sana silang gustong maranasan. That experience changed me. Ayoko nang mag-duplicate ng journey ng parents ko. Yes or yes, it's never too late. 2013, naghanap na ako ng mga part-time businesses with the end in mind. Gusto kong makaalis sa employment cycle at mag-build ng sariling negosyo. But I failed during that time. Ang dami kong nasayang na investment. So, kahit hindi kayo nagtanong, I've been working also for more than 30 years. During my employment years, I give my time, my energy, my loyalty to employment. Although I'm grateful for that journey, but deep inside, I know I was meant for more. I was tired of trading hours for income. I wanted time freedom and financial freedom. In 2018, I found the lifestyles product through my angel upline, Iba Aradelios and GMD Nera Quiros, and it started because of our health challenge. I was diagnosed of having sleep disc after a falling accident. At my doctor advised me to prepare 500,000 for a spinal surgery. I refused. I seriously taking all the product massively. Unti-unting nawala ang pain at numbness ng lipot ko hanggang tuluyan akong gumaling. Thank you, Lord. Ang wife ko naman as 9 years OFW, dependent sa maraming maintenance, medicines, with acute, she was diagnosed with acute cerebrovascular infarct. After 4 months of seriously taking the products, tuloy-tuloy ang check-up and everything went back to normal. Ngayon, she's healthy and already a full-time lifestyles business owner. Thank you, Lord. So just like you before, I attended the presentation. I learned that only lifestyles having DSE accreditation, 30D money back guarantee, pre-mentoring and training, product quality, global standard, and more than 37 years in the market. So the next day, I borrowed money sa co-op namin to sign up an express direct package. Lo and behold, less than 1.5 months na ubos ang product namin. So doing my mission with my team, business with pleasure, attending events, training, learning new knowledge, new things, and most of all, surrounded with positive people. So travel internationally and locally, given na yan sa lifestyles, courtesy of our lifestyles income. Gusto mo yung travel, this business is for you. So in 2020, I was promoted as National Marketing Director during pandemic. Last February 2024, I made the toughest decision of my life. I took early retirement to fully focus on this business with my wife. Hindi madali ang desisyon na iyon, but because of the support of my family, I found the courage to take the leap. So I made a brave decision not because it was easy, but because growth requires courage. So I chose courage over comfort. And this February 2026 volume, by God's grace, I reached International Marketing Director. From health crisis to healing, from employee to entrepreneur, this journey is about faith, freedom, and a better future. So with courtesy of Lifestyles Income, I gradually acquired some dreams with my family. I own subdivision lots here in Danao, started investing the stock market, and great satisfactions come from sharing with others. So we have regular community outreach with my business partner and uplines. So with that, thank you very much. According to Warren Buffett, If you are not earning while you are sleeping, you will work until you die. Thank you very much. To God be all the glory. Good morning.